Welcome to FNGMAT's Ask Atul Jo series. In today's episode, I will talk about finding balance in editing and rewriting your MBA essays. The first draft of your essay should not be perfect in terms of structure or even the focus of the narrative. It should touch on many aspects of how you see yourself, see the world, and your role in this world. Through the process of pouring one's heart out, the applicant finds their voice. Each country, city, culture, outlook, exposure to different cultures, goals, upbringing, industries, and functions generates its own unique combination of phrases and thinking that often helps applicants to stand out. It's when they censor themselves or assume a structure for an essay that all the uniqueness is removed from the essay and it looks like a polished, inauthentic voice, just like any article or analysis from an editorial. The editor's voice or technique is dominating over the author's unique voice. This is a big mistake, and anyone in the admissions team who has read hundreds of essays will understand the transformation. When you share your essay with an admissions consultant, ask them for comments, not to edit in the first iteration. You have to rewrite. It is tempting to ask the consultant or editor to edit in the first iteration, but true magic happens when you write the second draft. Your thoughts, values, resilience, actions, and results define your brand. Find your brand based on the second draft. Our editing mostly starts after the second draft. From an unstructured narrative, we bring structure, relevance, and elements of storytelling to the narrative. The first draft could include exposition of values that might be too soon or too late. Some values look like random mentions without relevance. Many lines would have jargons that are limiting to the flow of the narrative. Some applicants overexpose the background information with details that could never be captured in the essay. Many fail to offer enough context on an event. The follow-up questions quoting a specific line becomes an exercise for us to capture the background information, the constraints, and the opportunities. Through our iterative editing process, the random thoughts about an essay question transforms to a winning MBA essay. For help with editing your essays, subscribe to FNGMAT's essay editing service at store.fngmat.com/essay-editing, or learn to navigate through the essay writing and editing process with FNGMAT's winning MBA essay guide that has 120 plus sample essays of 16 top MBA programs in the world. I'm Atul Jose. See you in the next Ask Atul Jose series.